Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. On the 2-week Teaching Lexically summer school course that we ran in July here in North London, we set up a WhatsApp group so that we can stay in touch with all of the participants on the course. We used the WhatsApp group to let people know about room changes so they could let us know if they were going to be late, to keep them informed about what was happening in London, about trips we were going to take them on, and so on. One day, one of the participants messaged us to say that she wouldn't be able to make it to the evening meetup because, and I quote, she had a bit of a cough. Now, being English, this amused me slightly because, to be honest, most people here have a cough for a good half of the year, and it's not usually seen as an excuse for missing out on social events. So I replied, in a, I hope, friendly and jokey way, "Pah, lightweight." The idea of being a lightweight comes from boxing, where it's a category of boxer. And it basically means, in this context, you're not strong enough, you're too weak. It's often used, actually, to talk about people who can't drink much alcohol, who can't handle their drink. So you hear things like, "He's such a lightweight, 2 pints and he's totally gone." Or maybe you might explain yourself by saying, "I only had a couple of drinks, to be honest, nothing too crazy. I'm a bit of a lightweight, actually." It's also sometimes used to talk about people who you think lack any kind of deep understanding or knowledge or expertise in a political field. So you might hear people described as being intellectual lightweights, or political lightweights, or literary lightweights. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use lightweight yourself.